Have you ever looked closely at an earthworm? These small, humble creatures might seem simple, but their bodies are uniquely designed for life underground. Earthworms are long, cylinder, and soft bodied animals, usually ranging from a few centimeters to over 30 centimeters in length, depending on the species. Their bodies are segmented, which means they are made up ring-like sections called segments that give them flexibility and help them move efficiently through soil. Earthworms are usually reddish-brown or pinkish in color, thanks to the blood vessels near the surface of their skin. Interestingly, they don't have eyes or ears, but they can sense light, vibrations, and chemicals in the soil around them. Though small and simple in appearance, earthworms are fascinating creatures perfectly adapted to life underground, quietly working to enrich the soil and support life on Earth.